Toilets that flush themselves. That's awesome. Sink that turns on and off by itself. We have an air dryer. Nasty bathroom. No paper towels, toilet paper. What? How do I open the door? Well, I gotta use my hands. I thought I just washed my hands. When 98% of the people don't wash their hands properly, and I'm just gonna become what? Desanitize again? But I gotta wear a face mask? So how do I do it? I'm gonna use my trusty cane for now, but Wawa might wanna consider doing a better job of allowing me to stay sanitized.